Good evening. I go to talk about Bogota versus Cartagena. Bogota is the capital of Colombia. It is a very large and cosmopolitan city. People from all over the country arrive to study and work. Bogota is longer than Cartagena. Bogota has approximately 7.000 habitantes, a Medellín con 1.500.000. In Cartagena, you find rather gastronomic of over than in Bogota. For example, in Cartagena there is a wide range of national and international restaurants, and restaurants in Cartagena are cheaper than in Bogota. The transport system in Bogota is much more disorganized because the city who not planned very well at the time of its construction. On the contrary, Cartagena is the only city of organized Colombia that works very well and is in very good condition. The rolos, gentilicio for the people of Bogota, take care of their city very well and are a product of their Transmilenio system. Many people say that in Bogota they are cool. That is, they are not very happy in show or feelings. The truth is, it's true. I do not agree with this statement because we cannot generalize the rolos, gentilicio for the people of Bogota. While it is true that we cannot deny the kindness of the rolos personality. I went to live in Bogota because I love it. I love its treatment they have with people and their kindness. The accent when speaking Spanish in both cities, there is a very marked accent when speaking Spanish. The advance in that in both cities, the accent is very clear. The weather, Bogota, is much colder than Cartagena. The fields has constant temperature change throughout the days, and its temperature is between 10 degrees at night and 20 degrees during the day. In Cartagena, the weather is sunnier and ranges between 20 and 28 degrees Celsius. Cartagena is more beautiful city in Colombia because it has beach, museum, and castle. That is a tourist center in Cartagena. It holds the most important events of Colombia, beauty, and is official in this prestigious contest called Miss Colombia. On the contrary, in both cities, you find mountains around the city. The difference is that Bogota is a flat place. The safety in both cities is similar. Unfortunately, Bogota and Cartagena are little safe safe city. Everything depends on the neighborhood where you transit. Regarding the cost of living is much more expensive to live in Bogota than in Cartagena. The cost of rent in the capital is much higher. Finally, I will talk about the cultural offer, which owed at the boat, and Cartagena has a greater cultural offer. You will find more museum, university, theater, and coffees where you can listen and to a wide variety of music. Bogota has interesting place to spend pleasant moments with friends, but I think there is a diversity in its offer. Thank you. Good evening.